author.
Character author.
And he said, please, in the last message for his follower, please do goodness for your family, for your wife, your mother, your father, and
Your
your
family.
So you got a lot of hadith who has inspired your life, right? MashaAllah. Allah.
I get it.
Please read it, please.
Good news.
Yeah.
Because the hadith is the farewell from the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the Sahaba. He said, the truly your blood, your stuff, your harta.
Purity, charity, or what?
Property.
Property. Allah.
Your property, and your
Honor.
Honor.
Your honor is the haram. I don't know.
Forbidden, no. Forbidden, dilarang.
To count.
What? Oh, how to say in bahasa?
Dilarang untuk mengambil harta.
For how to take that?
Yeah.
How to take out?
Take illegally, wrongfully.
Wrong way, yeah. Used by wrong way.